Hello guys. Freaking, what's the name of what's the name of this channel? Uh, it's MPB. All right. Hey guys, it's MPB here, and today we're gonna be doing my top 10. My top 10 Hot Wheel cars. Yes, some of these might not actually be Hot Wheel, but they are. So, so here we have number 1. Uh or number 10. Number I'm not I'm not counting. Um uh So we have a blue Jeep like thing that it's armored, and it has coyote on it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says coyote. Um Number 9 or 2 or whatever. So this is like Obi-Wan Kenobi's car. Yeah. It's obviously very rare. Nobody else in the world has this. So it's pretty cool. Shut up, Dylan. Who's Dylan? You wouldn't be able to hear him. Only I can hear him. So here, so here's, so here's the here's number 8, or number 3, or whatever. It's a cool car because once it gets colder, it changes color to a lighter tan. No, number 7 or number 4, or yeah. So this is a scorpion car. It can go. It can't actually chop its teeth. It used to have a tail, but that's gone now. Number 6, or number 5, so this is a cool car. It's got like a cool design on it. Has like some transparent flames. Has like an exposed engine. But what makes this car so cool is that I can pull it back. And I can pull it back and it goes forward. Oh! It has to be on. Sorry. So the cool thing about this car is I can pull it back. So, anyways, guys, this car actually isn't on the list. This car is trash. It's terrible. So, it's actually this car called Ridge. It's pretty cool because it's big. So yeah. Here's my next car. It's like a green Jeep. I think this is number 5. This is number 5. Um, yep. So like this car, it's cool because it's green. Yeah, that's pretty much all it has going for it. So, so this car, guys, this one, this car's cool. It's real old, as you can see. It's got like this nice old hot rod design, but it's like metal. It's made out of metal. It's armor, all that. None of that plastic stuff. So that's a cool car. So this car, we're number 3, right? Yeah, we're on number 3. So this is number 3. It's a black Hot Wheels with flames on the front, and it has a spoiler. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's it. That's literally it. So number 2 is a literal freaking tank. It's actually just a tank. Guys, it's literally just a tank. It's just pew pew tank. It's green. It has one of those old mouth things on it. It has multiple wheels. For some reason, it has like really big exhaust out the sides of it. It's a racing tank, all right, with an exposed engine. Seems really inefficient. Number 1 is a taxi. It's an old taxi. It's just a taxi. As we can see, it has green again, which is enough to qualify for 5th place. But it also has the white, and it's a taxi, so that qualifies it for 1st place. But here are some honorable mentions before we go. So number 1 in honorable mentions is Mario Kart from the hit game Mario Kart. It's Mario. Next one is the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars. From Star Trek. Sorry, I don't know my sci-fi. And the last one. The last one is Angry Birds car. It's a car, but it's also an Angry Bird. So yeah. This has been my car review channel, and I hope you enjoy.